Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. If you want to be consistent in the market, master these buying entries that we are going to be showing you, and this will never let you down. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below, and we'll see you soon in a minute on today's video. Okay, welcome back. So, to understand the way of trading this strategy, you're gonna need just once rejecting from the low, from the higher time frame. Remember, we start from the daily time frame, and then when you move low to the lower time frame, you can even find the entries from H4 that you can take a buy from that area. So what are we looking for from this area? That is where the key weapon that we have to give us a proof that there is a high probability for the market to reverse again from this area. So you need just to be having this area where the market rejected from and started making a bullish reversal. That's where we are going to be looking for the next time when the market pulls back and approach this area. We are going to be ready to buy from that area. Remember, we are looking just for buying entries from the areas where we are going to be holding the trades or taking big profits from these entries. Once the market moves up, we have this low. Okay, the market rejected from there before, from daily time frame. So the next time when the market is moving down, we are going to get ready to buy from this area. So how are we going to be entering from this area? That moment, you are going to move to the lower time frame like H4. So when the market starts reversing from this area or any kind of rejection from this area, what I'm talking about, when you start seeing the bullish candlesticks forming from this zone, you are going to be entering from there, and the stop loss will be below previous low or below this low, this zone. So we are going to be entering from this area. The stop loss will be below this area. So now we are in the higher time frame, we are in the daily time frame. So what we are looking for, if the market moves up, we are already in the market, we entered from this area. If we continue moving up, the time when we come back again, approaching this area, we are going to be entering again. Remember, we need the stop loss to be small. That's why entering from this area, we are going to be safe rather than entering in the middle of the continuation of the trend. Okay, so if the market drives down and again give us the sign that we are going to look for the opportunity to be buying from this area again. The time when we are coming back from upside to the downside, we are going just to be looking for buy entries to anticipate the market to move in the upside. The market will be moving until we get to our target, the previous stronger high. So now, the reason why we enter from this area is because that it is stronger area, and also we are safe rather than entering in the middle of the trend, as I was talking about. Even when we are setting our stop loss below this stronger zone from the daily time frame, when the market hit our stop loss, we are not going to be thinking about buying. So we are not going to be changing our mind saying that, okay, we can shift our stop loss lower because this area is stronger. If we break below this area, we are anticipating the market to continue in the downtrend. Okay, that's why entering from this area is better for us to be taking at least just some pips in the first entries and even for the trend continuation to the upside. Remember, we are now anticipating the reversal from the downside to the upside. That is an opportunity for us to take that trade and walk away with the profit in our pockets. Okay, so now we are moving to the chart to look for some examples on how can we enter from those areas taking buy entries. Okay, here the market is rejecting from this area. Remember, as long as we are in the higher time frame, it doesn't matter if we are in the trend continuation. You have to look from the daily time frame. Okay, this is a rejection, and even this one is a rejection from this area. So if we are moving from this area, the target will be from this area. Okay, so then now we are looking for any entry from this area. Okay, we are strong enough. We have rejected from this area multiple times. This time we have multiple rejection from the downside. We are even starting rejecting from this area. So now we are going just looking for buy, and we know where the stop loss is gonna be. If we enter from this area, the stop loss will be below the previous low, which is this one. This low will be our stop loss. Okay, so looking for this rejection from the left hand side. That's where the stop loss will be set. So now we are moving to the lower time frame H4. No matter what, as long as we are rejecting from this area, we are going to be looking for buy just only. Okay, from 4-hour time frame, we are from this area. We have the sign that the market is going to be changing the direction or reversing to the upside. We have the confidence of this support zone, and our target will be, this will be our target because this area is imbalanced. So we are going to be looking to buy from this area to the upside. So now, as long as I'm getting the bullish candlestick, I'll be entering from there, or even I will look for how I can use buy limit order. So let's see what happened from this area. We can even enter from now. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have a bullish candle. I'm going to be entering from the low, anticipating the market to be reversing to the upside. Okay, my stop loss will be, okay, so my target will be the previous high, the previous strong high to balance this area. Okay, so now I will be looking for buy as long as we pull back, and approaching this area, I will also be looking for buy just only. I will enter for buy, not looking for the formation of the chart patterns or any kind of signal or confirmation. I will just at least look for the candlesticks or even using a buy limit. Okay, let's see what happened. We are going to be continue taking other trades. T moving down, so aggressive, moving up. Okay, so any kind of moving down again, I will take a trade. Okay, let's see what happened. We know where the stop loss is gonna be set. Okay, rejecting from that area. I need to touch from this area so that I can take another trade. Even if we enter from this area, we are anticipating the market to continue moving up. But remember, the stop loss will be below the previous low. If you are accepting to enter, and then the stop loss will be below this area, the target will be from this area. Okay, now let's see. Moving down. Okay, we have this entry. The stop loss is below the previous low. We started rejecting from this area. I'm waiting for a bullish candle to enter for buy. I'm gonna be entering again for buy. Okay, any rejection from this zone, I'm gonna be taking buys just only. Okay, let's see what happened. So aggressive, moving up. Okay, another opportunity, bullish candle, bullish engulfing. This is another entry from this area, because we are looking for how the stop loss is going to be minimized. Okay, so that's why we can even enter from this area. We know where the stop loss is going to be set, below the previous low, expecting the market to move up. Those are 4 entries. Okay, let's see what happened. Moving up. Okay, looks like we are going to be continue moving up. So we are not looking for buying from the middle of the trend. Okay, let's now see what happened. Still moving up. Okay, now we go to our target. So that's how we use a strong low zone from daily time frame to enter for buy from any kind of reversal from the downside. Now you can see, go to our target by balancing this area. That's how we use the strategy to enter for buy. Okay, this was also an entry from the downside. When we are rejecting from this area, we have the high probability for the market to reverse to the upside. And even remember, when we are in the trend continuation is the same. As long as you get any kind of reversing from the lower time frame, we are going to be looking for the next movement. If we pull back, we are going to be looking for buy from that area. So that area from the daily time frame is very stronger to be buying from by anticipating the market to be continue in the upside. Okay, guys, remember, using any kind of strategy, you need to backtest. You need to sit down, backtest the strategy, make some screenshot. Thank you, guys. Remember to subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and I will see you next time. Be safe.